Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Taskeen from Homeopathy Musings and I'm excited and glad to announce our basic course version 3 that we'll be starting from the 14th of October. We have total 15 sessions for this course and today we have with us Dr. Chanda Shah. Dr. Chanda is a senior homeopath and has been associated with Homeopathy Musings for quite some time now. She has shared her immense knowledge through various years of experience and simplified many concepts for us. I welcome you, ma'am, and I am glad that you will be doing this course again with you. There are a few things that our participants need clarity from, and I would like to ask that what would be the primary learning of this course, the basic course version 3, as you've already been a part of the previous two courses. What do you think will be the primary learning of the version 3?
What I feel is whatever we've learned in colleges is not enough. We need to know the newer methods of solving cases, like the sensation method and the personal evolution method, etc. Like only Materia Medica is not enough. We need to do much better than that. So I will be focusing more on the newer approaches to solving cases, that is sensation and personal evolution method in detail.
Yes. So this will be a more advanced version of what we can expect from the previous two courses that we have.
Yeah,
And
definitely. We always do better than.
yes.
Yeah.
Also, ma'am, can you just summarize on what topics you will be taking for this course and what we can expect, what learnings we can expect from you?
First, I'll be doing the periodic table. I'll be doing row 1, 2, 3. So, for example, like row 3, there are many salts where enough information is not there in the Materia Medica. And these salts are also not represented in the repertory. Like, I'll be showing you cases of natrium silicatum, magnesium silicatum, magnesium sulf. So, we'll be teaching you all these rare remedies, which will really make a big difference in your practice. And the other topic which I'm doing is on invertebrates
From the animal
kingdom, where we'll be focusing on mollusks, crustaceans, insects, spiders, etc. And all these mollusks, etc., they're not well represented in the repertory. So we need to study them in detail. So I'll be focusing on that.
Right, ma'am. I'm excited to be learning a lot from you, and thank you for sharing some details of the basic course version 3 with us. So, our course will be starting from the 14th of October, and registration are open. Thank you, ma'am.